In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your identity on the Wealthfront app. This process is essential for ensuring the security of your account and for complying with regulatory standards. So let's dive in and walk through the steps you'll need to follow. First off, head over to Wealthfront's support article titled, "What Identity Verification Documents Can Wealthfront Accept?" This resource is invaluable as it provides specific guidance on the type of documentation you'll need. Now, for the identity verification process at Wealthfront, it's critical to note that only direct images of unexpired U.S. federal or state-issued identity documents are accepted. This means you should avoid submitting scanned copies or documents with any visual distortion, as they may not meet the required criteria. So make sure your document is in good condition and that all details are visible and legible. Let's go over the specific types of documents that Wealthfront does accept. You have several options. A United States state-issued ID card is a straightforward choice as long as it's up to date. Similarly, a United States driver's license is a popular option, widely recognized and often used for verification purposes. Additionally, you can also use a United States passport or passport card, which are great for international credibility, as well as a United States permanent resident card. However, there are certain documents that Wealthfront does not accept, and it's crucial to be aware of these to avoid any holdups in the verification process. For example, if you have identity documents issued by countries other than the United States, unfortunately, those won't be suitable. Similarly, United States visas, while important, are not accepted for identity verification. Also, steer clear of using city-issued or municipal ID cards, as well as ID cards from educational institutions, like those student ID cards you might still have. Interim temporary identity documents issued within the US, such as paper copies, are not valid for this process either. It's always wise to double-check that the ID you're planning to use falls within the acceptable categories mentioned. Once you've selected the appropriate document, ensure it's ready to be uploaded according to Wealthfront's instructions. Remember, capturing a good quality image means that all the information is clear and the picture is not blurry. This step should help you avoid any unnecessary delays. In summary, the key to a smooth verification process with Wealthfront is knowing what documents you can use and ensuring they meet the necessary guidelines. With the right prep, you can complete this process efficiently and get back to focusing on your investments with peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any more questions or need further assistance.